Now that July is here, I'm back with the top 5 winning products for you to sell this month. I spent hours last night searching the internet for trending products using tools like Google Trends, MyNia, TikTok, and more. Also, if you want hot products just like these delivered straight to your inbox, don't forget to sign up for our winning product notifications, linked down below. My name's Alex if you're new. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, here's the top 5 winning products for July 2023. Now obviously, like I already mentioned before, if you want more products just like these delivered straight to your inbox and not mentioned anywhere else, then sign up for our winning product notifications linked down below. We're about to go over all 5 of these products as well as all the information about each, the pricing, the cost, the Facebook ad interests, and everything you need to know to start testing these products so that you guys don't have to do any of the research yourself. And then we're going to go over some competitor stores that are already selling this product or each product and seeing success with them, as well as a few TikToks highlighting each product that are already going viral. So when you guys are ready, let's go over the first winning product for July. All right, the first winning product I have for you this month is the digital measuring spoon scale. Now I forgot to mention that if you guys want to download this exact presentation, as well as the top AliExpress suppliers already linked for each product, I'll leave that information for you in the description below. So go ahead and download that and you guys can have access to all of this. Anyways, the description for this digital measuring spoon scale, I said it's a low price cooking solution that offers high profit margins. It has over 5,000 recent AliExpress orders with 5-star ratings to show that it's actually high quality. Other Shopify stores are currently making a ton of sales selling this based on all of the store data available. The pricing and the cost for this product, I would sell it for $24.99 for a cost of $4.42, making you a profit of $20.57 per sale with a high profit margin of 82%. The ad interest for this product, I would start off targeting on Facebook ads would be cooking, healthy eating, and home chefs. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's currently selling this product to see what they're doing right and what we can improve on, as well as a TikTok highlighting the benefits of this product. All right, this is the scale spoon from My Plant-Based Kitchen. Looks like they are a niche-based dropshipping store in the cooking niche. So they're selling it for $18.99. They don't have any upsells up here. They just have the Shopify installments message, but you'd have to buy a few of these to be able to do the interest-free installments. They have 6 color options right here. They don't have any variations in the pictures linked to each of these. They just have one photo right there. Specifications, they just grabbed those from AliExpress, it looks like, and then their shipping and return are just general on their store. So they have a few images down here with a little bit of a description connected to each. It's not much. Then they have the you may also like, so similar products in their niche store. Our promise, they have their trust badges down below, as well as a form to collect emails. So they don't have any reviews, they don't have any upsells. And this description's a little disorganized. I would definitely clean it up a little bit, add some GIFs, add some more high quality images, and just make it brandable. This brand is My Plant-Based Kitchen, but there's really nothing about this product that, relates back to their actual brand, other than the fact that it can be used in a kitchen. So there's a lot that I would do on here. I would start off by adding reviews, upsells, and just cleaning up the overall description and adding some high quality images, whether you have to order the product yourself, send it to influencers, or just find them on Amazon or AliExpress, Alibaba, wherever. So here we have a quick little 7-second TikTok showing somebody making their chocolate water with this product. Has almost 100,000 likes for good reason, I guess. All right, moving on to product number 2. We have the 5-in-1 pants storage hanger from AliExpress. I said it offers a unique and convenient solution with high profit margins as it solves a common problem, captivates broad audiences, and provides a simple storage upgrade. It's currently trending on various platforms and has over 2,000 recent AliExpress orders. You guys can sell this product for $19.99. It costs you only $2.33 on AliExpress for a profit of $17.66 per sale. Another great product with a high profit margin of 88%. If you guys want to start off targeting this with Facebook ads, you guys can use the interests home organization, interior design, and home improvement. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's currently selling this product, as well as a TikTok that has gone viral highlighting this product. All right, here we have the 5-in-1 rack hanger for clothes organizer from Ossaries. They are a general dropshipping store with everything from jewelry, bags and wallets, wedding and events, beauty and health, women's clothing, kitchen and dining, all that good stuff. They have literally everything on there, just like a general store you would expect. I like this main image right here, how it has that GIF in the corner showing the product. They did a great job with that main cover image right there, as well as highlighting the actual features and benefits of this product, showing that it holds, 5 pairs of pants in, a condensed fashion. So they're selling it for $23.49 with 4 color options available right here, marked down 21%. They have some very high quality product images over here, which you would not expect on a general store. So they did a great job with this so far. None of this really matters, the SKU or the category. I wouldn't include any of that on your product pages. They don't have any reviews on here. I would definitely start off importing some reviews from Amazon or AliExpress. The description is divided with images and GIFs with a little bit of supporting information between each. I would definitely clean it up a little bit and just make it look nicer and transition better overall. Then they have their related products down here, their trust badges, buy with confidence. I don't know, these trust badges look poorly constructed. It looks like they actually take away from trust instead of building customer trust. They have a good footer down there. So they don't have any upsells, they don't have any reviews. Those are always very important with your dropshipping products. Otherwise, they're going to look elsewhere for what people are saying about the products, find it from one of your competitors for cheaper and buy it from them. So you guys want to make sure you're touching on all of these points beforehand. Definitely clean up those trust badges. I do not like those at all. But other than that, they have a decent description. I would just clean it up so it looks, a little more visually appealing. But yeah, there's just a few improvements you want to make yourself. All right, here is a 13-second TikTok with over 12,000 likes highlighting this 5-in-1 pants hanger. Just shows them hanging it up, folding it down, and all of the storage that it creates, as well as a call to action telling them to buy right there. I like it. All right, here we have product number 3, the non-slip cushion tape. You guys can see this product right here in this little image. I said it offers a unique solution to a common problem that most homeowners face, and that's sliding couch and chair cushions. This tape, not sold in stores, makes for a simple video ad and funnel, leading to a ton of upsells. The AliExpress page offers a few videos to help you guys get started so that you guys can test this product and validate it, and then order it yourself on Amazon and start shooting all of your own content. But for now, just download those videos from AliExpress, throw them together, and use that as your content to start. You guys can sell this product for $22.99. That's a 10-pack right there. You guys are buying 10 of them on AliExpress for $3.12 for a profit of $19.87 per sale of the 10-pack that you sell. They make it very easy to create all of your upsells. You guys can sell these in quantities of 10, 20, 50, even 100, so that you guys can make the most amount of profit per sale. But selling a 10-pack of these for $22.99, that gives you a profit margin of 86%. So it's a great product with some great margins. And if you guys want to start off running these on Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would definitely start off targeting would be home decor, home design, and pet owners. You guys know how crazy those dogs can get running around all your furniture and throwing your cushions everywhere. These can actually make you avoid that entirely. So if you guys can find any of those videos online, or if you guys have a dog and you guys can shoot this content yourself, that would be a great angle to start with. I'm sure many people aren't even thinking of that. They're just using it as a simple, couch cushion solution right there. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's currently selling these little non-slip stickers right there, as well as a TikTok highlighting them. All right, we have the adhesive round stickers, 10 pairs from Jelliani. Looks like they're another general dropshipping store, but they have a few images on here that it looks like they just downloaded from AliExpress. They definitely clean that up a little bit. You guys just want some high quality imagery. You don't want too much. Looks like there's actually the AliExpress branding right there. So I definitely clean it up a little bit. They're selling it for $16.89, the 10-pack right there. I really like their upsells that they have right here, their quantity breaks. They have the 30-pack for $29.89. 50 for $43, and you guys can get 80 pairs for $57. I like this description right here, as well as the moving add to cart button. I would definitely clean this up a little bit. I was just saying I like the GIFs over here of the truck and then the actual product in use. So I really like the GIFs highlighting the product and how you can use it. I would definitely touch on a ton of different angles like they are. They have the pets, the kids, wall decor, and just general use. They have the specifications like the sizing and all of that. Their trust badges as well as their guarantee, how to pay. They don't have any reviews, so I would definitely add some reviews, but I really like their quantity breaks that they have up here at the top. A lot of stores use those and a lot of stores see success by using those. I would definitely start using them on your own today. But it's a decent product page. I would just clean it up a little bit, clean up some of these images and just make the description flow a little bit better. But other than that, they're doing a decent job just selling, a $16 product. All right, here's another 7-second TikTok showing this product and highlighting it in use. They're showing a few different variations of what it can be used for. I like it. All right, moving on to product number 4. We have the space-saving pet bowl. You guys can see it right here. It has food and water in it and then goes in a little corner. So it offers a unique upgrade to an existing item in every pet owner's home. A space-saving food and water bowl combo. Currently sitting atop the Temu bestseller list, and it has over 2,000 recent AliExpress orders, all with high 5-star ratings. You guys can sell this product for $29.99. It only costs you $7.11 on AliExpress, and it makes you a profit of $22.88 per sale, with another great profit margin of 76%. If you guys want to start off running this product on Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be dog food, pet owners, and dog lovers. Dog products are always very easy to target and test, but you guys can definitely start off testing and targeting with those 3. Another store that is selling this product is Pet Pautique, and we'll take a look at them right now. All right, so we're already hit with a 10% off pop-up, but I do just have to say really quick, in the time since last night when I put together this presentation, the other store is actually no longer up. So I had to find a quick solution for that. So this is Perfect, the Perfect Supplies.store. They're selling this product for $19.95. They don't have any reviews on it. It's the corner dog bowl, space-saving automatic feeder and water dispenser for cats and dogs. They obviously took that title from AliExpress and they're just keeping it on there for SEO purposes, but I would definitely clean it up and make it a little bit better. They don't have much of a description on here. You guys definitely want more of a description when you're selling this yourself, but they have the little trust badges down here, or the scarcity badges, like the hurry, only 43 left in stock, 7 sold in the last 25 hours. Don't know why they put 25 hours, but okay. Real-time 19 visitors right now. No, there's not. They have some imagery down here, kind of the same thing over and over. I'd definitely clean this up a little bit, make it look a little nicer. They have their actual trust badges down here, worldwide shipping, 60-day returns, 24-month warranty, and secured checkout. All right, here's their little description tab. Once again, they don't have much. They don't have any reviews imported. They have their related products down here. Looks like they're selling a ton of different dog bowls and feeders, so they have too many available on their store. You really want to narrow it down to just one. Otherwise, you're going to give your consumers information overload, and they're not going to buy anything. So I don't really like this product page. I'd clean up the title, the images, the description. You guys have too much scarcity going on down here. 4 sold, the hurry, however many left, as well as all of the other things like the real-time visitors. Probably slows down your product page as well. So yeah, it just needs a lot of cleaning up. I really don't like it. All right, my 5th and final product that I have for you guys today is the mini air compressor for cars. Now this air compressor can actually be used for anything. A lot of people right now are branding it towards cars, but it can be used for bikes, dirt bikes, soccer balls, basketballs, anything and everything. So I said this product is a portable and convenient solution to a problem that most people face at some point, a flat car tire. This product can only be found online and offers many unique targeting angles like I already mentioned. You can touch on consumer emotions to really drive your sales. Plus it's a tech product with great profit margins available to you. You guys can sell this product for $89.99, costing you $24.06 on AliExpress, for a profit of $65.93 per sale with a high profit margin of 73%. If you guys want to start off running this product on Facebook, the 3 interests of focus that I would start targeting would be sports car, driving, and riding bikes. But if you guys are going for unique and different targeting angles, you guys can start with like soccer or basketball, or really anything that applies to this product in the broad audience that it covers. Let's take a look at another store that's currently selling this compressor, as well as a TikTok highlighting it and all of its benefits. All right, this is Good Jump. Looks like they are a niche car store, dropshipping store. So they have the Good Air Inflator Pro right here with a ton of images down below. Obviously all taken from AliExpress, but they have their branding in each, so they remove the AliExpress logos and add the goodjump.com to each one of their photos. So I like that they're trying to brand this product. They could have even thrown their logo on it, just using Canva or something, you know, just on the handle somewhere. They have their color variations available with only one color option. I would remove that if you guys don't have more than one. They have their quantity right here, but there's no upsells or quantity breaks or anything, so you're paying the same amount for this product. But they say you're saving 43% or $60 marked down from the $139 price point to $79.95. They have Shop Pay interest-free installments available. You guys can pay 4 interest-free installments of $19.98 right there. I like that. But I would definitely add some quantity breaks on here. I mean, I don't know how many compressors people need to buy, but either add some quantity breaks or upsells of similar products since they're a niche store and they're selling to the same exact people. But I don't like just the quantity button right there. No one's going to just single-handedly buy a bunch of these without a significant discount. They have their specifications right here, the model name, working temperature, cable length, voltage. A lot of this information is useless. It doesn't really highlight what's in it for the customer. That's really all they care about is me, me, me. So you guys need to highlight what's in it for the customer, what it does for them, how it saves them time, saves them money, whatever. But they really don't care about all these little details. You guys can include them, but I would just include it on a little drop down panel right there or something, or even like a FAQ section. They have Feel the Beat, subscribe today, a little section to collect customer email addresses. But they don't have anything, like I already mentioned, with upsells, reviews. They don't really have like a detailed flowing description that, you know, tells a story and really highlights the features and the benefits of the product, showing, you know, what's in it for your customer. So this is really where you can improve on and make all of these improvements yourself. Show your customers what's in it for them, highlight all the features and benefits, and just make everything come together and look high quality, and you guys are good to go. So I mentioned all the different unique targeting angles, and that is exactly what this 28-second TikTok is doing. It's showing you using it on a soccer ball, it's showing the light, it's showing you use it on bike tires, car tires, everything. This appealed to a broad audience, and it's a great video. You guys can throw something together exactly like this. Whether you order it yourself on Amazon or something and start shooting all of your own content, or download videos on AliExpress, this is a great way to put together an ad and start testing this product. All right, as always, I found the top 5 AliExpress suppliers for each product. Make sure to download this presentation and go through all of these today so you guys don't miss out on any of this. I did all of the heavy lifting and research for you. So make sure to take advantage of that. Go ahead and use my link supplier list to upload and start testing these products today. If you need any help or have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you want more products not mentioned anywhere else, remember to sign up for our winning product notifications, link down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.